Human nature is a concept that denotes the fundamental dispositions and characteristics, including ways of thinking, feeling, and acting that humans are said to have naturally. The term is often used to denote the essence of humankind, or what it means to be human. This usage has proven to be controversial in that there is dispute as to whether or not such an essence actually exists. 6 things we all do. 1. Being playful. All mammals play, but no other species pursues such a wide variety of entertainment or spends so much time enjoying themselves. 2. Being scientific. Humans are constantly sorting the world into categories, predicting how things work, and testing those predictions, the essence of science. 3. Being legislative. Chimps stick to simple behavioral norms, but we humans, with our language skills and greater brain power, have developed much more elaborate systems of rules, taboos and etiquette. 4. Being Epicurean. Compared with other animals, the feeding behavior of humans is exceedingly odd. Where they just eat, we make a meal of it. 5. Being clandestine. Nothing is quite as puzzling as our predilection for clandestine copulation. Why do humans indulge in acts of procreation privately? 6. Being linguistically superior. Language has shaped our nature profoundly, and arguably, our way with words reaches its apogee in gossip. Next are some videos showcasing human nature. Don't judge them.
Hello viewers, we hope you are enjoying the videos. Please support our channel by smashing the subscribe button. Kissing a like for our channel. Yes, kiss it. Hit the bell and leave a comment.
Hello, wangu wadi.
Takwas baba, korku.
Palapa is Ronkati.
Right, urku se bibero kisa last week area. Right, this is an party but imparo nasi baba sakuna mabe baba wanda bateka boys titiriro. Saka garo batika ga tiro chibere tese.
What did you? Ayo, you don't know. You don't know. Don't see Calvin, you don't know. Sorry, Baba.